What's going on, YouTube? Told y'all I was gonna give y'all that night view. See how pretty far you can still see it. Now, it ain't bright like to the eyes or nothing like that. Nothing like that. It ain't gonna distract nobody from driving, nothing like that. It may draw their attention to look, if anything. So I don't see it. Excuse me, it's kind of icy out. I don't see it being a problem. But there she go. She's bright on my camera at night. I'm going to change, put that bulb in there, man. Fuck it. Playing. Got the wife in there, my daughter. Look good though. Look real good. LED in the plates, corner lights, corner markers. Out of Opra. Got them down here on the. Got my lady, my car right quick. Oh wait. Shit, that's the other side. I gotta pull up down here. Turning light. The other side, I gotta put it on. I think I need a flasher. Motherfucker work. But this, that bulb blue. Huh? Come on, ladies, stop locking me. Trying to keep the family safe. Hey, roll up on me. She take off. All I care. Yeah, man. Just give y'all an update, man. Just a little short video. That's it. So, alright, I'm signing out.